How to add single select and multi-select options in Airtable. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can add single select and multi-select options in Airtable. So let's go right into it. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, the next step or the next thing to do is to navigate through to the workspace that you would like to add a single select or multi-select to. All right, so this is the I've selected mine, and then once you've selected it, you'll be brought to the base page where you can now edit it to suit your taste. Now once you're here, once you're on this page, the next step is for you to move to the middle of the screen where you can see your fields, right? Such as the fields name, title, a name copy, notes, assignee, status. You can now I would close this views page so I can see the rest of the page. So then at the end of status copy, you can see a plus icon showcasing add field. All right, so you need to just to click on it. Once you click on it, you can see some options in the box displayed, which include single line text. Then you can see attachment, checkbox. There's a single select user, phone number, duration, rate, auto number button. So just click on single select. All right. Now that click on single select, and that box will be displayed, asking you to add your options. If you want to, you can also add the default option. So you want to add an option, you just click on an option here, and you can just type out something cool. And then once you're done, click on create field, and just like that, the single select field would be created. Now you want to create a multiple select as well. Just click on the plus icon again, and then scroll down until you can see multiple select. All right. Where is it? Let's go up again. Yeah, multiple select. Then click on it, and then this is the box displayed. If you want to add option, you can also decide to add a description if you want to, and then click on create field, and then just like that, the multiple selects will be created too. So from here, for the single select, you cannot go ahead and type whatever you want. For example, it could be to do, and then once you're done, click on enter. And then for the multiple select, you can see that it has a plus icon. That is if you want to keep on adding and adding more options other than the one that you've added from the beginning. All right, for example, this, then you can keep on clicking on this, and the more you click, the more you add, and you can keep on doing that. So this is basically how you can add single select and multiple select options on Airtable. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.